Hello, class. My name is Maria Camila Rua, and today I will be presenting my essay, which consists of talking about animal testing and how does it affect humans and the environment. What is animal testing? Animal testing is an inhumane research process where various animals are used to experiment with cosmetics, new medicine, and more. According to the Humane Society International website, animal testing involves many procedures, such as forced chemical exposure, exposure to drugs or infection diseases, genetic manipulation, food and water deprivation, pain and wounds, and many other fatal infections. Now, let's talk about section 1 of my essay, the introduction. Its effects. As it is known, there are various effects of animal testing on both the environment and humans. Therefore, I began my essay by stating and describing them. For example, animal testing contributes to a variety of adverse effects on both humans and the environment. It impacts pollution, biodiversity, and lab workers' health, enhancing fail real-world human reactions. Section 2 of my essay consists of body paragraphs 1 through 4. Air pollution. My main effect is related to the importance of acknowledging how animal testing affects air pollution. Some points I discuss are: air pollution is one of the most significant effects on humans and the environment. It is produced by all the gases from the incineration of the animals used for testing and other equipment. Biodiversity. Another effect I mentioned was how animal testing heavily affects biodiversity. I wanted to make a stand in demonstrating how it affects both humans and the environment. Some points I discuss are: the various threats to biodiversity are another negative effect of animal testing for both the environment and humans. Biodiversity is affected by the inconsiderate usage of wild species, driving them to almost extinction. Laboratory workers' health. Continuing with the negative effects of animal testing, I began to discuss the importance of knowing how animal testing affects lab workers' health. Some points I made were: animal testing negatively affects lab workers' health as they develop allergies and chronic illnesses such as asthma and neurological and reproductive dysfunction. There have been cases of contaminated workers with Zoonotic disease, herpes B, and other respiratory diseases, which ultimately can be deadly. Reliability. Lastly, I discussed animal testing's reliability and how dangerous it can be when it comes to real-world human reactions. Some points I talked about are: the failed human-related reactions animal testing produces are another strong effect on humanity and the environment. According to new research, animal testing has many unreliability and limitations regarding its accuracy concerning human-related results. Section 3. Conclusion. Animal testing affects us all. For my conclusion, I reinstated every detail and main opinion I had for a more concise and complete approach. My closing statement was: reflecting on how animal testing affects everyone directly or indirectly is one of the first steps to demonstrating its negative input on nature and humanity.